Hi there. I'm Igor Lerochovsky, the co-founder of the Hypnosis Training Academy and the author of the world's best-selling trainings on conversational hypnosis. I want to welcome you to this special bonus training where you'll dive even deeper into conversational hypnosis techniques. Keep watching to take your skills to the next level and unlock the full potential of your subconscious mind. See you soon.
Here's a second mistake people make in direct ads. They go, hey, I'm a hypnotherapist. And they might even say, I cure phobias. I know the cure word's a dirty thing, but let's just go with it for now. Right, I cure phobias. Great. Fine, thank you. Right? As a rule, people go, oh, great, he cures phobias. Off they go. The magic words are call now. Why? I don't know why. It's kind of like, I actually believe in people are pretty smart, but sometimes they can be really dumb. And there's kind of like a weird polarization that goes on. So sometimes it's like, oh, I have to dial the number, right? I don't know why it is, but it's the case. You just put phobia specialist or phobias for me, whatever your title is, and you put your telephone number at the end of it, you might get 10 calls. You put down phobia specialist and you put call now, and you put the number at the end, you'll probably get 20 calls. Right? It's weird, but it happens. It's called a call to action. So you give them a reason for it, and you give them a response. You give them a behavior to engage in. Because otherwise they don't know what to do. They're too busy thinking about getting out of jail, they don't realize that the number isn't the Swiss bank account. So give them a call to action in the direct version. Let's talk about indirect version. What might an indirect thing be? Let's use the example again. Your ice cream still dropped. You're still having a gun pointed at you by Mr. Policeman. He's ready to blow. He's ready to go. And you're thinking, maybe at this point I should hire a lawyer, right? But I don't know if I can afford it because these guys are sharks and before I know it, my house will get sold and they'll be eating my cat along with everything else. But then you have an advert and it says to you, okay, free advice for a free report how to not get shot by the police. Call this number. Right? You go, hang on a second, free, I like this. So you call the number and it says, okay, give us your address, we'll send you the report. And it's got like 10 tips, number one, say sir. You have the free report, right? 2 weeks later, and you like it, right? You don't get shot because you read the report, you follow the instructions, the policeman doesn't shoot you. You're still in trouble, but you're not dead. So you're happy about that at least. It all goes in the end. So now, 2 weeks later, you get a letter from the same lawyer saying, hey, I hope you enjoyed this report. I hope this finds you still alive. And by the way, you should know that we keep people out of jail too, as well as not being shot by the police. So if you have any trouble, then call this number now. What do? Are you likely to call them or the person in the paper that has like, oh, we do family proceedings, divorce, and family planning, and criminal, and all the rest of it? You're going to go with the person you know, right? Because they've already offered you something that's been valuable to you. You've tested them, you know them, and you like them, right? So the same is true as a hypnotherapist. What can you give someone? What's valuable to someone that gives them a chance to test you out, right? Let's say you're doing weight control. 10 tips on losing weight, on how to use your mind to lose weight more easily. 10 reasons why diets fail. Do you see where we're going with this? It's a valuable thing. They read this list and go, oh my God, I've had this happen to me. Oh, I've done that. Oh my God, yes, that's exactly how I stuffed up my last diet, right? And the bottom is like, hypnotherapy works, call now. Special coupon. Americans love coupons. Actually, people in general love coupons. Do you see where we're going with it? So you offer something of value, so that turns these people from prospects into like somewhere in between here. They've made an effort, so somehow they're like close to being a client, but they haven't actually given you money. And that half step extra commits them enough, they'll go, may as well go the whole hog now. Do you see where we're going with basic approaches? These are just very basic ideas to marketing.